Hey everyone, this is Lorelei with WTI, and I have for you another must-have if you have a Keurig coffee maker. These are reusable K-Cup pots, and I got these because I wanted to have an alternative when I use my Keurig coffee maker. I love them because they help me reduce waste and save money at the same time. You just have to fill them with your favorite brand of coffee and place them on your Keurig. You could even make your own flavored coffee, which I have. They freed perfectly and work great. I haven't had a single issue with these. The set comes with four reusable pots, but they are very durable. I've used just the one for years now, and it's still in great condition. So if you own a Keurig and want to do some money saving, you should definitely get yourself a set of these reusable K-cup pots. So this is why I love these reusable pots, and that is my point of view.